In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Looker Studio reports in Looker Report. By the end, you'll feel confident getting a new report started and choosing the right starting point for your project. First, open your browser and head to lookerstudio.google.com. This is Google's reporting workspace, and it's the home base for building, viewing, and organizing all your dashboards. Before you begin, it helps to be signed in to the correct Google account so your report's saved to the right place and you can access any shared assets your team uses. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top left for the Create button. This is your starting gate for anything new. Click it to open a short menu of options. From there, choose Report. That choice spins up a brand new report canvas, ready for you to design. If you're just exploring, this is a simple, clean way to start fresh and keep full control over the layout, style, and eventual data you'll bring in. There's another path right from the front page if you prefer a head start. Instead of opening the Create menu, you can click Create a blank report to get the same empty canvas in a single click, or you can select a pre-built template to jump in with a polished structure. Templates are great when you want a professional look and sensible defaults without designing from scratch. They often come with preset pages, charts, and filters that you can adapt to your needs. If you want even more options, open the template gallery. This is where you can browse a larger collection of designs tailored to common use cases. Take a moment to preview a few. Look for a layout that matches your audience and the kind of story you're telling: executive overview, marketing performance, e-commerce health, or operational tracking. A good template should feature the visualizations you'll actually use, give you space for annotations, and feel readable on the devices your stakeholders prefer. A quick tip as you choose: pick blank when you have a very specific vision or a unique data model. Pick a template when time is short, or you need a consistent look across multiple reports. You can always customize colors, fonts, and chart styles later, so don't worry about getting it perfect at the start. That's it for getting into a new report. We navigated to Looker Studio, used the Create button to launch a report, and explored both the front page options and the broader template gallery so you can begin with confidence. When your canvas is ready, you're set to continue building and tailoring the report to your goals.